What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Ferris here. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Bitcoin dump again, which we were talking about in the last live stream, as well as, if you shorted, how you could have profited off that. So I'm just pulling up the comments here. I'm adjusting the website so you guys can view this easily. So give me like 2 seconds. We'll pull this up. And it's going to be a short live stream. Nothing too crazy. Just adjusting the comments here. Give me a second. It's because I'm doing it through Google Hangouts, so it does take some time. Okay. So we're good to go. It looks like we got some viewers in here. I hope you guys are enjoying the stream. So let's get started here. So basically yesterday I was talking about how every time Bitcoin and Ethereum, they just keep retesting these lines of, I would say, let me pull this up here. So they keep retesting this consolidation zone here, which I always depict for you guys, where they come, they test these zones, which we'll highlight here in a second. Sorry, I just not signed into my account, so my tools aren't always right. So you can see, we'll draw an arrow here. None of that arrow's crap. So we'll just get a square box. Let me find where this tool is. Okay, here we go. So you can see in the square box right there, and we'll adjust the color here. Turn that yellow. We'll turn the opacity down. All right, make that red, and then okay, so as you can see on this box right here, I've depicted it last time, okay? And this time, it's doing the same pattern we've been talking about over and over again. It comes back and it retests this line of, or this zone of consolidation. Sorry, the delayed price into trader short with that chop. Pretty dicey place to short, very choppy. Yeah, but it's a very heavy resistance. Like we'll even pull up the EMAs, Oliver. Nice to see you, man. We'll pull up those EMAs. Remember I was telling you guys about the 12 and 26 EMAs. Those are very important. So we're going to add 2 of those. And just sorry, I'm on a different computer, so I can't really, my things aren't saved. Oh, come on. Give me a second. Oh, stupid. All right, so obviously just got rid of those boxes I drawn, but we'll add the 12 and 26 EMA real quick. So we'll add the EMAs right here. Make this big. So EMA, go, cool. So we'll add the 12 and 26, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to read this chart. So we'll make the yellow, so the 12 is yellow, and then the blue is gonna be, we'll make this light blue, and this is going to be the 26. So as you can see, again, on the daily chart, the 12 and 26 are definitely coming together. You can see that. The 26, which I said, you guys can watch it. A lot of the long-term viewers, oh my God, what the heck? Dude, this computer is annoying. So a lot of the long-term viewers know that I talked about the 12 and 26. What the heck? I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, the 12 and 26 are lines of resistance. It was lines of resistance here, and it's a line of resistance again. And there's no coincidence here, okay? There's no coincidence that the 26, which is the blue line here, is a resistance. There's no coincidence. It's just how it is. The 12 and 26 EMAs are used on GDAX. They're used by bots, and they're being used for lines of least resistance and support. I mean, once it crossed over here, the 12 was support, rise up, it goes under the 12. That's where you take an easy short, which we were talking about, and you short it and you hold the short. And now people are like, oh, Bitcoin's bullish here. They're like, Bitcoin's bullish here, Bitcoin's bullish here. And then they shut their mouth when it crashes, and then they keep saying it again. So it's going to crash and it's going to keep going down, like I've been saying over and over and over again. And you shouldn't be fearful. You take the risk, you set your stops, and you take it when it's high. You don't try to chase the short. You know, when I was talking about it yesterday, people are like, oh, it might look bullish here. I'm like, no, it's not. Don't, be confused, and don't chase the short, because if you took a short here on JAFX, okay, with like $300-400 in your account, you would have already made $100 to $200 if you took about 5 to 10 Bitcoin or Ethereum short. I've always been suggesting Ethereum because it's the most overpriced cryptocurrency. But again, they all follow Bitcoin. So again, it's going to crash lower like we've been talking about, and it's being proved by the chart here. None of the stuff I say is fugazi, like these other YouTubers who just constantly talk nonsense and don't understand any technical, fundamental, or market analysis. They don't understand how money works, and they don't know history. So they're naive. It's sad. But a lot of people have been losing money due to them, and they just say, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I put those disclaimers, but I try to provide valuable information to the viewers, and that's why I believe the subscriber base is growing. Again, you can see higher second, you can see if fail to form a higher high, we'll depict that in yellow right there, fail to form a higher high, okay, on Ethereum, which it's the same thing on Bitcoin Cash. You can see same thing. And I was saying Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum were the best ones. I think Bitcoin Cash would have been better than Ethereum because it dropped over $1,000. So Bitcoin Cash, Ripple wouldn't have been that great. But you can see the charts are all the same. Okay, all the same. Bitcoin actually did hit a higher high here. So I would watch Bitcoin. If it fails to break, if it breaks below 6,400, it's going to break down. But if it fails to do that, if it fails to not break 6,400, then just be wary. But I think it's going to form a head and shoulders. It just doesn't look good on the daily at all, to be honest. So just watch Bitcoin. If it fails to really break above this 26, it's going to continue lower, which is what I'm predicting, just because the volume isn't there and it's just a very bearish pattern. We will see. It shows on every other cryptocurrency that we're still in a bear market. There's no buying opportunity. I don't know why you would be buying here. It's just nonsense. I mean, people have been doing it here. They lose some money. But we might experience a similar move to this, where we might try to rally here and try to rally back up to here. But I would say about 480 is the resistance to 500. I doubt we break 500. But that's where you take the short around 480. And I can see $400 coming very soon on Ethereum, with Bitcoin going under $6,000 again, because it's failing to hold. No one's really buying. Like, no one's buying at all. The daily shows very bearish pattern, and it just bumps right back up to fix the RSI, which I'm sure that's what it does. I don't really use RSI, but again, 12 and 26 is all you really need, and it's really failing to hold on top of it. And it looks like it's going to crash lower, which would be a great shorting opportunity, back down to about $4,000. I think this is going to be the last rally. So we'll see. You can see the TA even on here on TradingView says it's bearish, and it's continuing to fall. So it's beautiful. Bear markets do take longer to drop, but they're very good when they do. And again, Bitcoin doesn't have a use case. No one's using it to buy goods and services like they used to back 8 to 6 years ago. Gold again is the real deal, and I think gold will continue to rise higher. Like now it's in its final stages of a bear market on gold and silver, and I think gold is going to take another rally above $2,000 and really push up from there, because it's building a base right now. It's building somewhat of a base here, and I think it's going to rally after the dollar starts to fail. And start falling. So you can see, I'll pull up the dollar index. You can see the dollar is hitting a lot of resistance here. It looks like it's getting rejected. We'll see. But the dollar just keeps making lower highs. Again, it did it here. This is just going to be a bear market rally, and I think it's going to crash lower. So we'll see what's going on. The stock markets are just kind of holding up here. They're up on really the energy and tech sectors. But this trade war, what's going on with the Fed, we'll see what happens. I'm just really not, I don't try to go bullish. We're already so high in the marketplace, as you can see on the monthly chart. And I just don't think we're going to hold up here. There's just a lot of stigma, negative things going around, and the markets are just too high right now. I think we need a strong pullback. So that's what I see right now. Ethereum and all other cryptocurrencies look like they're going to push lower. Again, simple technical analysis, same message that I've been sending for the last 2 to 3 months. So that's really it, guys. I'm going to end this stream here, keep it short for you guys. Everyone, you guys know the same thing we've been talking about. Now you think you may come from right shoulder before them. I'm not sure what the next shoulder. Yeah. So Oliver, I think it's going to be a head and shoulders. That's what it kind of looks like. So we'll see, but it usually just takes these ugly dumps later into the evening. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I just wanted to do a quick little stream for you guys. Got to get back to work here. So enjoy your day. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome crypto live streams. Again, be wise when you're trading. Don't be ignorant or naive. If you don't know how to trade, read books, understand how to trade. Don't speculate. Speculating will kill your account, and it's not fun losing money. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.